How to contact ClearScore. If you want to contact the support team from ClearScore, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First off, you can go to app.clearscore.com and log into your ClearScore account. Now, what you have to do is click on the profile icon from the top right, and we have to simply go to the help icon, which is the eye icon right here. Once you go to the help page of ClearScore, which is also directly help.clearscore.com, right? We're on this page. Now, to contact the support team, you can see a live chat button on the bottom right of the website. Click on the live chat option and a menu is going to pop up. Here you can simply ask them any type of information that you need, and a live representative is actually going to get in touch with you. You can select yes, there is an assistant is going to get in touch with you, and you can select whatever else it is and you'll be able to get in touch. So I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.